Venture capital powerhouse Sequoia telling investors this morning that it's splitting up into 3 separate and independent partnerships. And that's the focus of today's Tech Check with Deirdre Bosa. Morning, Dee.
Good morning, Carl. This is big news here. It's the end of an era for one of the most prestigious VC firms, not only in Silicon Valley, but in the world. So Sequoia becomes 3 distinct firms with distinct brands and names. U.S. and Europe will continue to be known as Sequoia Capital. Sequoia China becomes Hongshan. India and Southeast Asia becomes Peak 15 Partners, an Everest reference there. I spoke with Sequoia's chief, Roelof Botha, early this morning as the news came out. He told me that it took months to arrive at this decision, and ultimately it came down to business factors and the different markets becoming more complicated. He said, and I'll quote him here, founders have global ambitions and borders have become fuzzy. We're seeing more instances of portfolio conflicts and brand confusion. Now, it comes on the back, though, guys, of a very rough first year for Botha leading the firm. As the tech market turned, he oversaw billions in devalued investments. It was also marked by rising geopolitical tensions and rising questions over Sequoia's stake in big Chinese companies like ByteDance in particular. Botha himself was also an architect of the evergreen Sequoia fund that holds on to public stocks after portfolio companies IPO, so holding on for longer. And that also had terrible timing when it came out at the end of 2021 when markets were turning. He also made that big bet on Twitter. So perhaps this one quote, though, guys, sums it all up. You can read into it a few different ways. It was in the Forbes piece, and it quoted partner Shailendra Singh, who will lead the India and Southeast Asia business. And he said, quote, "We love Sequoia, but our brand is our relationships, and we feel our own brand is strong." So one reading of this, guys, might imply that Sequoia is no longer quite the gold standard brand in venture capital as it once was, because the industry itself is becoming bigger and more international. You heard something similar from Neil Shen, who will lead the China business. He said most Chinese can't even spell Sequoia. So it tells you that maybe it had become too big, or the business of venture capital had become too big.
Sequoia is known for having been playing in China a lot longer than most, right? I mean, they got a wealth of experience on that front.
Yeah, I think it was back in 2005, and ByteDance may be the most famous investment, but it's in other companies that have blown up in terms of valuation, like a Shein, which is a fast retailer. Also, Ant Financial, we know that what happened there turned into Ant Group, and the IPO was completely botched by the Chinese authorities, and that is also an indication. Sequoia makes these very, very early bets, so some of the turmoil that comes later doesn't typically affect their investments, but once they go public, it does. And going back to Ant Financial, or Ant Group as it was renamed, that's a good indication of how geopolitics can get in the way. Chinese regulation prevented that company from going public, and of course, there's still that question of ByteDance and what's going to happen. It's interesting, though, guys, because the Chinese business was already an affiliate, so it was pretty separate. This is taking this another step. And then, some questions over why they had to do it with India and Southeast Asia as well. But again, like I said, Roelof Botha is citing sort of business factors, less so the geopolitics of it.
Though you have to wonder also, I mean, others have to be watching this and wondering how to prepare for worsening tensions between the U.S. and China, including potential orders on U.S. companies about investments in key sectors in China. We've been expecting this executive order on this front right now. So I know they're not emphasizing the geopolitics, but clearly it's front and center.
And Sequoia has a major business in China, but it's far from the only venture capital firm. I immediately thought of a SoftBank, which has portfolio investments all over the world. It's in ByteDance as well as a number of other U.S. hedge funds and typical venture capitalists. So it does raise questions. What are they going to do? Do they have to think of something similar? It's a question going forward as geopolitical becomes a bigger factor.